Hello everyone, my name is Raven, and in today's video I want to share with you how I made my healing anointing oil. I want to quickly thank everyone who subscribed to my channel. We hit 100 subscribers and I feel so happy and so grateful for having the opportunity to do something that I love and see that people enjoy my content. YouTube being such a large platform, it is very hard to make yourself seen when you start your channel, but I'm so thankful for everyone who watches my content. So you can use this oil for any type of workings regarding healing, maybe after a bad day or after a traumatic event in your life. I will start by adding dried roses to my jar. Roses are very great for healing. Also to me, roses are connected with the heart chakra and helps you to find that inner peace and connect with the universal love, bringing that tranquility and balance. Angelica Root has a lot of correspondences and I feel like it is a very powerful herb for healing and protection. Mugwort is also used in healing workings. You can use it also in divination or to connect with spirits or deities because it enhances your psychic abilities. Also, you don't need to use any of these herbs. It's just what I have and decided to use for my oil based on my intentions and the purpose of this oil. You can use whatever you have based on your intentions for your own oil. I then have lavender that is very good for healing. People use it for peace, but it is also used for protection, and because of its color, I associate it with wisdom, divination, power, and psychic abilities. It is used in healing workings as well. I will then use peppermint. That is my favorite herb. I will use it for its healing purposes. I drink a lot of peppermint tea. I love the smell and its correspondences. I will use it all the time. To me, it's a very calming herb. It helps me to clear my mind, and it is also great for raising the vibration of an area. Clove is another powerful herb with so many correspondences, from protection and banishing to mental clarity, wisdom, and psychic abilities. I will use it in my oil for mental clarity, protection, and good sleep. When I'm stressed, I often cannot sleep and I have long days at work that require a lot of energy, and to me a good sleep is very important. So this video was made 1 month ago when I was at home and I have no idea what oil I use, but you can add oils as well if you want. I know I have a lot of them and I wanted to use them in my anointing oils. This is already diluted, so if you are using essential oils, make sure you know how to dilute them. My personal opinion is that herbs are enough and you don't need to use any essential oils. I feel like it's kind of a trend nowadays. I got these oils because I couldn't find the herbs that I needed, and they are meant to be used on the skin, so keep that in mind as well. Always do your own research and make sure you are safe when it comes to herbs and oils in general if you are making an anointing oil that is meant to touch your skin. And of course, don't ingest it, please. It is not meant to be consumed. If you are a kitchen witch, you can use herbs that correspond to your intentions and that are safe to be consumed. I will then add my grapeseed oil. You can use whatever oil you want, it doesn't matter. I will let it sit for a few weeks before using it, and this is how it looks like. You can also write a petition and place underneath it or burn it. You can also carve your intentions on a blue candle and burn it to add more energy into your oil, or give it as an offering to your spirits that you're working with. If you light a candle on top of the jar, please make sure that the lid is not plastic, but if you place it near your jar, it will have the same effect. It depends on your preferences. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. You can subscribe for more witchcraft content. I try to upload as much as I can because I work 10 hours a day and it is becoming very hard for me to make content, but this is because I don't have a full-time job. I usually work on summer really hard and then get to rest in the winter and create videos and work on my Etsy shop. I currently have grimoire pages in case you want to visit my shop. If you have any grimoire pages ideas, please let me know in the comment section below. as well as video ideas. I want to grow my YouTube channel, so I try to work on it as much as I can. My subscribers increased and I cannot tell you how happy I am and how thankful I am. The purpose of this channel is to help spread more knowledge about this craft, and it is also a challenge for me because I am an introvert and it is hard for me to interact with people, and making these videos just help me with my confidence and hopefully helps you to learn something new. I thank each and every one of you who made it to the end of this video, and I will see you in my next one.